What if I told you I went from staring at a blank screen for hours to creating my best work ever in just minutes? And no, I didn't drink coffee or meditate under a tree. I used AI, not to replace my creativity, but to unlock it. And by the end of this video, I'll show you exactly how I use AI to think faster, create deeper, and never run out of ideas again. Let me take you back to last year. I was stuck. Writer's block, design block, idea block. I tried everything. Mood boards, music, Pinterest rabbit holes, but nothing worked consistently. First stop, ChatGPT, not just to write essays, but to brainstorm themes, plot twists, brand names, even dialogues for characters. It was like having an idea machine that never sleeps. Then I found Midjourney and Leonardo AI. I'd type a concept, like a forgotten library floating in space. And boom, I'd get surreal images that sparked storylines, video concepts, even music mood boards. For writing beats and scripts like this one, I mix Notion AI with ChatGPT. It helps me structure ideas, trim the fluff, and get to the emotional core. But here's the secret. I don't copy-paste anything. I use AI as a collaborator, like an idea partner that helps me dig deeper into my own creativity. You've got a wild concept. You feed it to AI. It throws back angles you never thought of. You add your twist. Suddenly, it's not just a project, it's art. Whether I'm designing journal covers, writing poems, planning YouTube videos, or even composing music, AI has become my second brain, a spark plug. And no, it's not cheating. Picasso used mirrors, Da Vinci dissected bodies. We use AI. If this opened your mind even a little, hit that like button. Got a creative block you're stuck in? Drop it in the comments. Maybe we'll solve it with AI together. And if you want more tools, tricks, and real stories on using AI to unlock your potential, subscribe and join the journey. Thanks for watching. Next up, 5 AI tools that think outside the box. You won't believe what number 3 can do. Stay curious, stay creative. See you there.